In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a scene on Google Vids. So first, of course, open up your project and go to the timeline where all your scenes are displayed. Next, find the scene you want to duplicate and click on it. Now right-click on that specific scene, and here you'll see the duplicate scene option. All you have to do is click on this. Instantly, then, a copy of your scene will appear right after the original. You can drag it anywhere on the timeline if you want it in a different position. This is perfect for repeating intros, templates, or sections with similar content without recreating everything. You can also edit the duplicated scene independently so changes won't affect the original. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!